Today I am unboxing a humidifier and I'm very curious about this. It's supposed to cover up to 430 square feet. 4-liter capacity, a humidity sensor, a smart auto mode, and a timer setting. Well, it sure looks nice. I think that based on the pictures online, it really does seem appealing. It seems like you can kind of style it with a few other products and it will just fit right in. It doesn't have this eyesore of a look to it. Even on the outside, it has a simple starting guide, so that's very nice. Getting started is quick and easy. Gotta love that when you have a new product. Here they have it styled just on this coffee table, and with the other products on there, it just looks sleek and modern. I love the look of this. So there's multiple mist settings. It's whisper quiet. Now that was one of the things that I wanted to be sure to test out, because especially if you want to be sleeping and you don't want to have it as ambient noise, it's nice that it has this whisper quietness to it. However, it is also the fact that you can use the timer makes it really convenient for nighttime too. And then it has an auto shut off feature. And so the touch controls, I feel like, also add to the modern aspect of this. Just a simple, sleek product, easy to use. Anyone in the family would be able to figure out how to use it right away. I think this will be really great to have in my child's room. So I'm definitely going to set it up and test it out, and we'll see how well it works, particularly at night. I also want to see what this looks like so that if I did have it in a different room, just kind of see what it would look like displayed. So it looks very sleek. It's very lightweight. That will be convenient. When filling it, I presume we can just fill the top and then it will be easy for transport. So that's nice. If there's such a thing as a stylish humidifier, then we have ourselves a winner. I really think it's good looking. And I feel like that's important. If you're gonna have it in your home, you want it to look nice. So we have our water reservoir here. It does come with a warning that says do not add essential oils. This is really critical at a time when everyone is using essential oils. So that's great that they have that in a bright yellow label, letting people know off the bat you do not want to ruin your humidifier by putting something like that in here. It can actually leach petrochemicals into the water, and so we just don't want to mess with that. I don't know why I care, but I do like that it's transparent. I suppose that there's a little comfort in knowing when you're going to need to refill it, and so you've got that immediate validation. Oh, I need to refill it. It comes with tips before use. Don't place on carpet or towel, and place the humidifier on an elevated, non-metallic, lint-free, waterproof, level surface at least 2 feet above the floor. Good to know. So it does say the fan is located at the bottom of the base, and you do not want to have anything that is going to obstruct that. Lastly, we just have the instruction guide. So the user manual includes the model number, the phone number if you need any help, and then let's check it out. We have all of the specifications listed, the product diagram, important tips. So that's always very helpful because you don't want to buy something like this and then have it break because you misused it. So always making sure that we follow the instructions. It does say do not add water into the base or through the nozzle. And then we have proper care and maintenance instructions. All right. This will be great. I'm glad that I have this product to try out.
While I like this in my daughter's room, I could use this in my home office with my fiddly fig tree as well, since it's good for plants. This product is cool. Get it?